Tate McRae's go-to makeup is just the quintessential it girl, party girl makeup look. She has beautiful sultry, bronzy, winged eyes, flush sunburnt cheeks, and a beautiful light pinky gloss. This is the perfect going out makeup, and I think it could suit everybody. So if you want to see how to get Tate McRae's makeup, keep watching. Now for this look, she's got a really beautiful smoky liner moment, so I'm actually going to start with the eyes. Well, I'm going to start with the eyebrows because she does have really beautiful full brows. So I'm just taking my Anastasia Brow Freeze gel. So I'm pushing that gel into my brows because we want that really nice laminated look. I'm then taking my Anastasia Brow Pen and using that to fill in any gaps. I'm then just prepping my eyes with a little bit of concealer, just so we have a nice clean even base. Now for eyeshadow, I'm going to use the Sigma Spicy palette. It's got these really beautiful warm bronzy tones. So I'm starting out by taking the shade Bootleg and I'm running that all through my crease. And I'm softly winging that colour out in my outer corner. Then taking the shade Mocha, we're using that shade to deepen the outer corner and also really lightly bringing it along the lash line. Then taking the shade Moonshine on my finger and we're tapping that right on the inner half of our lid. Then just going back in with my brush and making sure that that's nice and blended together. Then taking a white shimmer shade or a white highlighter. This is the Rare Beauty Enlighten highlighter. I'm putting a little bit on my brush and we're tapping that into our inner corner. And whatever's left on my brush, I'm just tapping under my eyebrow. Next, we're grabbing a black liquid liner. I'm using the One Size Point Made liner. We want to draw a wing and connect it only halfway across the eye. Now that our liquid liner's on, we need to tightline our waterline. I'm going to use the Mamo Mitchell Neutrals color case for this, and I'm taking this dark brown shade, and I'm going to start stamping that along my lower lash line. And I'm really lightly doing a little bit under my upper lash line as well, just to make the lashes look thicker. I'm then going to add a bit of mascara and some outer corner lashes. Now that the lashes are on, we'll move on to the skin. To prep the skin, I'm going in with a nice hydrating primer. This is the Dewy Latte Primer from Espresso, and just applying that all over my face. Now her base is definitely a more soft matte finish, so I'm going in with the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear Foundation. This is one of my absolute favourite foundations. It's going to give us that really beautiful, soft, natural finish and really great coverage as well. And blend out with my Sigma Soft Coverage Foundation brush. Then taking my concealer and we're concealing all the usual places and blending that out with my Sigma Concealer brush. Next, I'm taking my MCO Beauty Silky Smooth Powder Bronzer. Again, the face is kept relatively matte, so I'm not going to bother layering my creams and my powders. So taking this on a nice fluffy brush, I want a really diffused bronzer look. So running it all over my cheeks, up on my forehead, and bringing a little bit of that bronzer onto my nose as well. She has a very sunburnt kind of look. And for blush, I'm using She's Blushing by Patrick Ta. I'm taking that blush on the same brush, and I'm really focusing it on this higher point of the face, and just really lightly dusting it into the bronzer. And then bringing it across the nose. Then taking my Laura Mercier powder, I'm just going to lightly set the whole face. Lightly baking under the eyes as well, just for a bit of brightness. Now my skin is looking really, really matte, and it's almost a little bit too matte. So what I'm going to do is go in with the Kaya Cosmetics, that extra hydration spray. This is just going to melt all those powders together and give us a really nice natural glow. We just need to let that dry. I think my camera turned off. So for lip liner, I've used the shade Endless Cacao from Makeup Forever just for that beautiful neutral cool tone lip line. And then I went in with the shade Hope in the Rare Beauty Lip Oils just to stain the lips that nice pinky color. And then I've just topped it with the Sephora Collection Outrageous Plumping Lip Gloss in the shade 07 for that beautiful high shine pinkness. And that is my Tate McRae inspired makeup all completed. What do we think? I actually love this look. I feel like it's going to be my new going out makeup. It's really cute. I really like it. All right, let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to see next. And I'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.